What's up, guys? For those of you who travel a lot or use accessories and electronics from different countries, this can be a lifesaver. This is actually a travel adapter. It is made for people traveling to different countries. The output for sockets are designed in a way that they can be universal. They can accept any switch input, and on this side, no matter where you are in the world, you can actually use it. So for example, US, Japan, Australia, Thailand use this kind of switch. So bring it out, they can be in the vertical direction, or you can switch them like this in case they are of this the socket of the is of this type. So you can change this legs direction to fit it. This is for USA and Japan, Thailand, Australia. And then if you are not in that country, you can just close it back again. If you are in the Europe, you can just bring it out. This becomes for Europe. Not in Europe, then what's this is for UK, Spain, and if you're in these countries, then you can use this one. Just press this button. See, you're ready to go. Now you have the UK's plug. So mainly there are three types of plugs. One is USA, UK, and US, UK, and there is Europe. All three plugs are here, and you can use them. Once done, you can just close them, and output is universal. So and you have any kind of switch, it will plug right into it. So for example, this is a USA plug. So you can see that I can just plug it right in. What am I doing? It should be like this. See, so it just went right in. So it can work without issue with the US. Same is for others as well. I think this is Europe's. See, this also works. So output is universal, input is also universal with this one. So no matter where you are in the world, you can just use it, and feel free that you have something that will just work. You can use your current electronics with this one, and so you keep using them in no matter where you are in the world. So hopefully it will prove useful for someone. Let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.